Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, and we are now here to offer an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has categorized Meta as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 16.64% since we first suggested purchasing Meta 19 days ago. This results in an average return of about 0.88% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the recent developments, we cannot predict the stock's next movement, as it could shift in either direction. The stock has broken through the strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. In the event of a pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, which was broken at $717.52. This level may present a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, $779.80 is anticipated to be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the initial attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 21.56% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 10.66% and 21.18%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a shift of around 36.66% over the next year, with potential returns between 5.16% and 29.78%. This corresponds to a price range of $756.96 to $934.18 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock price up approximately 0.33% on Tuesday. The Meta stock price increased by approximately 0.33% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025. The price rose from $717.40 to $719.80. This marks 10 consecutive days of gains. It is relatively rare for a stock to experience such a long streak of increases, so minor declines should be anticipated. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.92%, reaching a low of $710.04 and a high of $723.64. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen in all 10 days, accumulating a total increase of 6.74%. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 996,000 shares, with a total of 12 million shares traded for approximately $8.55 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume while prices are rising can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $725.01, while the lowest was $414.50. Currently, the price is 0.72% or $5.21 below the 52-week high, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is making headlines today as it is reportedly in talks to acquire a South Korean artificial intelligence chip startup named Furiosa AI. This potential acquisition could significantly enhance their custom chip capabilities amidst ongoing shortages from NVIDIA. Such a strategic move aligns with Meta's objective of solidifying its position in the artificial intelligence landscape, an effort that could bolster its competitive edge and invigorate its stock in the short term. Furthermore, predictions suggest that Meta could surpass Amazon in market size within 3 years, a forecast that adds to investor optimism. Recently, the company has demonstrated strong performance, with a 21% increase in revenue year over year and a remarkable 43% rise in operating income in the fourth quarter of 2024. This underscores Meta's robust growth trajectory as it pivots toward artificial intelligence innovations, which could further attract capital and elevate its stock valuation. However, challenges remain, as Meta undertook substantial layoffs, affecting approximately 4,000 employees. Many of those impacted felt blindsided, having received positive performance reviews the previous year. This decision may cause short-term volatility, but if it leads to a leaner workforce focused on Meta's strategic ambitions, it might favor long-term profitability. Notably, Meta has achieved its longest winning streak among the Magnificent Seven, indicating strong investor sentiment and market confidence. Industry analysts believe that its aggressive artificial intelligence initiatives could propel the stock even further, with projections of an additional $100 per share increase. This combination could support sustained stock growth, marking Meta as a key player in the evolving tech market. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same date, Benchmark also rated Meta as a buy and recommended an upgrade. Again, on the 30th of January, 2025, Bernstein rated Meta as outperform with a hold recommendation. On that Thursday, Barclays gave Meta an overweight rating along with a hold action. Lastly, on the same day, Pivotal Research assigned Meta a buy rating and suggested a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $710.60 and $639.20. A decline below either of these levels would signal a sell. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, December 20th, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 22.99%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 131 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 124 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $687, presenting a potential buying opportunity. An upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $13.60, which represents 1.92%. Within the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 2.02%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.61. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $687. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 48,483 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 39.670. In total, insiders purchased 127,842 shares and sold 297,839 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $694.61, representing a 3.5% decrease. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 33 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta presents several positive signals. However, we do not find them sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is best regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of February, we anticipate that Meta will open down by $1.97, starting at $717.83. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.